All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Presently, I do business with my father. So nowadays, I'm all time spent in my business.
I spend all the time with my business, all right, like that. Okay. What do you like about your business?
Uh, um, I like because passion. Business is my passion.
My business is my passion and I like this very much, something like that. So, what do you like about your business?
Mm, uh, I like my business because I have been looking since my birth. My father related this business
My
with
father is related to this business.
is
Yeah, I have been
related.
observing since my birth that my father is related to this business. So, okay, you just need to focus your sentence structure. Let me change the topic.
Okay.
Do you like going to the mountains?
Actually, I am a height phobia.
I have
So
a height phobia.
I have a height phobia, so I don't like to go to the mountain. Therefore,
Okay. All right, let's just move on. What do you do in your free time?
in free time, I mostly spend time with my friend because I have a one friend in with my childhood. So I like
I
to.
have one friend and he's been my friend since my childhood. He has been my friend since my childhood. Sentence structure is the main thing for you, okay? So,
Mostly, I spend time with my friend because he is very nice and he always give a good idea and always suggestion in my difficult time. So I like to
to
spend
spend
time
time with
with
him.
my
Do you
friend.
prefer to spend your free time alone or with other people?
Uh, in free time, I like to spend alone time
Why?
because I'm I am a little antisocial person.
Okay.
Therefore,
I'm a little introvert.
okay,
Introvert. Antisocial is negative.
okay,
Okay, I am a little introvert. So that is why I prefer to spend my free time alone without anyone. Okay, let's go on. As you are a businessman, so do you think you have enough free time?
yes, business is my passion. I will establish my own business in future. So I like spend time in my business. Therefore, I uh, understand the techniques of market and understand the terms of business. Therefore, I mostly spend time in my business. So
Okay, would you like to study more about your business?
yes, I want because I have done MBA in last year.
I
So
did my MBA last year. Last year
this
is past tense. So
okay.
I did my MBA last year.
So I want more study. Uh,
I want to study more.
I want to study more, and because I will uh, I will execute the PhD.
Okay, now listen. First of all, you have grammatical mistakes and so many of
No,
them.
sir, I'm a little bit confused.
Okay, so you should
Therefore,
overcome your confusion then, right? All right, thank
therefore,
you.